Hello, classmates. Once again, I'm Adam Tinsley, the former special education resource teacher, now behavior specialist for the district in which I serve. For the video log or the vlog, this is about my paper topic specifically. So, my paper topic is broadly based on the applications to school based instruction and intervention. I was consulting with someone, and they said that this topic was way too broad. So I was steered in the direction of looking at how functional assessments um, is being trained currently with teachers, and what's the research out there that talks about how teachers are being trained in functional assessment. What are some of the fidelity measures out there so that teachers can be trained more effectively in the application of functional assessments in a school-based setting? So the reason why this interested me so much is because um, we need to find a better way to make sure that students and adults and teachers benefit from the use of the functional assessment procedure in school and have that actionable data that is needed to influence effective and appropriate behavior change. Often in the district where I work, the functional behavior assessment or functional assessment tool is not necessarily done with fidelity. There's not a lot of data shown graphically as far as what way the behavior is currently trending, or what are some of the more um, some of the more appropriate ways to steer the behavior in the right direction. Function is not always determined in an appropriate way. Functional analysis is not being done where we're actually making sure that we are treating or identifying the function and testing to see if that function actually does have control over the behavior circumstances. So this will be a perfect research project for me to actually take back to my setting and support the teachers and students who I serve in a great way, and hopefully I'll find some ways to change the behavior of adults so that we can change the behavior of students and we can all be more successful. The end.